If you have been importing products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time, or you are new to Chinese shopping app 1688, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can simply order like a pro from direct factory on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you more about China importation business using 1688, pinduoduo, or Taobao, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you how to simply place order directly from factory in China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then have you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to contact the factory. However, there are simplest way by which you can use to connect with the factory direct on 1688 Chinese shopping app. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on here, and it's going to take you right here. For every store that have this particular icon, they regard as direct factory. Just like what you see right here, this is a shoe factory. You can scroll down and see more. This is a jewelry factory. And then you scroll down and this is another factory that deal with gadgets. Scroll down and see more different factory of different types of products right here. However, in this tutorial, I'm going to order jewelry from a particular factory. So I have already contacted the factory. I will just go ahead and show you on how you can place the order and how you can contact the factory. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to connect with this particular factory right here and place order from their store. What we want to do is to click on the product link right here. So have a click on the product link, allow it to load up, just like what you see right here. Then you can swipe and see more product pictures right here, just like what you see right here. So everything depends on the number of product pictures that the factory actually upload. You can also scroll down right here. Here you see what the previous buyer have to say about the particular product quality. And then you can also scroll down right here and check the product picture as it display on their sales page. Just like what you see right here, you can see the product picture right here. Okay, now once you are satisfied with everything you see on their display, next thing you need to do is to contact the supplier. So I'm going to simply click on here now to contact the factory. So right here, I have already contacted the factory. To make this particular video short and straight to the point, I have already contacted them and sent them what I want. And at the same time, I requested for product video, which they sent to me right here, and I've already checked on that. Once you are satisfied with everything about the factory, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and add the product to cart and make payments with your Alipay or your Visa or MasterCard. And let's see how we can simply add the product to cart. I'm going to simply go back into the sales page right here. So once you get back to the sales page, next thing you need to do is to click on here to add the product to cart from the factory store. So right here, I need 5 pieces of this particular one right here. I need 5 pieces of this. So I will simply click on here to select the product. Then I click on here to enter 5 pieces right here. I need just 5. Then I'll click on here to accept. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to add the product to cart. So the product has been successfully added to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to fill the product from my cart. Then we have the products right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. As from the checkout right here, I need to simply scroll down right here and then click on here to choose my means of payment. Then I'm paying with my Alipay. So I'm going to simply click on Alipay right here. Then I'm paying the sum of 70.63 yen. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment with my Alipay. The next thing I'm going to do is to enter my payment password. So payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pop-up. Then I have to go back, then back. I need to simply click on here to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. It's that simple. So you can see the product right here. And this is how to simply order for goods directly from factory in 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier or you want me to buy your goods on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or Chinese e-commerce platform, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.